Hi, welcome on the Jams platform. My name is Davy. I'm the founder at the Jams platform. What we're doing here at Jams is to create a place where we fight tutorial hell. Yeah, you probably heard about it. Doing tons of tutorials and never actually build things. Here, what we do is to provide a platform that use test-driven development. We call that test-driven learning as a way to teach people or to simply grow your skills. We cover many languages from Rust, Go, JavaScript, TypeScript, and we plan to add more languages and frameworks on top of that. So in this video, which is going to be less than 5 minutes, I'm going to show you how it works in practice and how you could actually use it as a way to quickly take an exercise, learn something, and move on with your life. Okay, so let's go. Here we have a gem. A gem, once again, it's an exercise that has a set of tests. We put them in a Git repo with different branches, and each branch is actually, it's like a game. You need to finish one branch to unlock the next one. So you won't be able to see them all at once. It's as you're doing them, you actually discover the other one. Okay, in this one there's only one branch, and I'm just gonna use that as a quick way to show you how the Gems platform works and how you can leverage that. Let's start a gem. I'm gonna click start a gem right there, and what is happening behind the scene is we're creating a Git repo for you, and then you could use your own ID. That's what I prefer, or you could use our online ID right here. I'm just gonna copy this and then clone it. So we already provide all the cloning credential and so on and so forth. So you just have to go ahead and clone it. Okay. So once it's cloned, we're gonna go inside the hello world here and then open it. Now, let me move a little bit here. Let's look into it. We have a set of folders, like an instructor folder that will basically explain what the challenge is about, basically what the hands-on exercise is about. We have the tests. As I said, it's all about test-driven. Here we're using a language called Pact, developed by a company called Cadena, and it has just a test that says when we call a function hello, and it should just return hello world. Okay, so let's go ahead and implement that. So in Pact, we're just quickly going to add a hello world module, add a capacity here, and then div cap to add a capacity, right? So if you want to learn about Pact, we have an entire video on the HackerGist platform where we explain this concept in depth. So here I'm just gonna go and create a hello world function that takes a name. That name should be a string, and then right here we just going to call format and say hello world. And then we will be passing here, gonna pass a value, and that value there comes from here. So we're just gonna pass it this way, right? That's basically it. That's what the hello world will look like. And let's test if that worked, right? So I'm gonna quickly save that, go inside my terminal and run Pact and see if it's all. So if it loads, it should be okay. Okay, now what we're going to do is to actually commit that, git add, and then git commit. Just move a little bit on the side here, and then we're going to add git commit hello world with Pact. Okay, and then from here, I just have to push it. So once you push it, what happened there is on the platform, we're going to capture that code and then run some tests on it, and if everything goes well, we unlock the next step, and then we keep going like that until you finish the exercise. And behind the scene, we do a lot of code review. We help you actually, if you need mentorship, we're gonna be there to actually help you with that. That is the Gems platform in 5 minutes. I hope it gives you a clear idea of what you could do with that. Let me know if you have questions. Happy to help. I'm actually behind. I'm behind there. Whatever you do, I see it. I see the repo you just push, and I can help you with that. So reach out to me, 007 at Jams.dev. You take care. Cheers.